In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download Telegram desktop app in your PC or laptop in just a few seconds. So let's begin. The first thing you're going to do is open your browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use Firefox or any other one. Then search for Telegram. And now you will see the download right here. Just click it. Or you can also search Telegram download. So it will appear at the top. Then click this button and save it. Now open this file, and now we are at the setup program, so we just need to choose the language. In my case, I will leave it at English. Then choose where you want to install Telegram. You can choose any path you want. I will leave it like this by default. And here, this is the name of the shortcut. You can save it wherever you want. I will leave it like this by default, and you can check this checkbox if you want, so it won't create and start a new folder. And here you can choose if you want to create a desktop shortcut. I will enable it, and that's it. Now let's wait a few seconds and let's launch it. Now, as you can see, we have Telegram right here, and we could also search it from here and open it. Now we have Telegram. We just need to log with our phone number, or you can also scan this QR code from your phone and you will get logged into your account automatically. So that's basically it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.